Okay, so this time our topic is about organizational structure, information system, and strategy. Organizational structure defines how tasks are divided, coordinated, and supervised within a company. It determines the flow of information, authority, and responsibilities across different levels and departments. Information system play an important role in supporting and shaping this structure by enabling efficient communication, real-time data access, and streamline operations, especially in complex or multi-layered organizations. We have different types of organizational structure and their impact on IS and strategic alignment and leveraging IS for competitive advantage. And to give us more details about the topic, let's also welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be presenting on Chapter 3, which explores the crucial connection between organization structure, information systems, and business strategy. As we go through this chapter, we will understand how organizations align their structure and information system to implement and support their strategic goals. Let's start. Let us begin with the definition of organization. As per technical definition, organization is a formal social structure that processes resources from environment to produce outputs. It is a formal legal entity with the internal rules and procedures as well as the social structure. While, as per behavioral definition, it is said to be a collection of rights, privileges, obligations, and responsibilities that is delicately balanced over a period of time through conflict resolution. Organization can be defined both technically and behaviorally without contradiction. Behavioral model take us inside the specific firm to see how things influences internal operation. And then, what is information system? An information system is a structured set of components and resources designed to collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making, coordination, control, analysis, and visualization within an organization. It includes people, processes, data, software, and technology working together to manage and utilize information effectively. Cited in our book, it says